Are you tired of spending countless hours creating videos that never get the attention they deserve? Do you feel stuck with platforms that limit your creativity or force you into endless trends to make a living? Introducing FairPlayTube, your new platform for unleashing creativity and growing your audience. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting out, FairPlayTube gives you the tools to transform your ideas into professional, engaging content instantly. With FairPlayTube, you can effortlessly create eye-catching thumbnails, infographics, and even digital marketing strategies in just a few clicks. Spend less time worrying about the details and more time focusing on what you love, creating. No matter your content, whether it's tutorials, entertainment, or even education, FairPlayTube gives you instant access to everything you need. Plus, the platform is designed with real-world applications to help creators like you scale your content and reach new audiences fast. Need to reach even more people? With FairPlayTube, sharing your work across social media is a breeze. Automatically generate ideas for LinkedIn articles and social media posts and watch your audience grow. Ready to elevate your content and experience a platform built for you? Join FairPlayTube today and turn your creativity into something extraordinary.